Welcome Team Ralliant. I am here in Raleigh, North Carolina. We're having a soft opening of our new office, and I have the pleasure to be joined by Neill Reynolds, our CFO, who joined just a few weeks ago. And I thought it'd be a great opportunity for all of you to get to know Neill a little bit better. So, Neill, you've been a public company CFO for the past 6 years.
Yep.
But your experience is broad. Different companies, different industries, many different roles in finance. What drew you to Ralliant?
Tami, I guess I'd say that's a really easy question to answer. This is a really unique thing. And what we have is something new. So we're creating a new company, but it's built off of a great foundation, a foundation where we have, at least outside looking in, we talk a little bit about what I've experienced in the short time I've been here, but outside looking in, just an incredible team, deep domain expertise, a great culture, a business system which the team is passionate about, so great process capability. And it's built off of a set of businesses and technologies with important end markets and then having leading technology. So I think you put all of that together and it creates a really unique situation in terms of what we're building here together. And so being drawn to that was, very easy in my viewpoint.
Yeah, it's great. It's been a whirlwind. I'm sure the team is interested in what are you learning? What are you hearing from our investor community?
So so the Investor Day was a great experience. And first of all, I think the team did a phenomenal job. So huge thanks to them first. It was, it's been a terrific experience. And it has been a bit of a whirlwind, I guess I would say. But also gave me a chance to go out directly and meet with our investors, which is, an important part of my job. And I would say that the investor community, number one, super impressed by this company, by our capability. And I'd say on two levels, and not different what I talked about why I was drawn here. I think number one, the team, the culture, whether you're out somewhere in the business, driving performance every day, whether you're driving working capital, you're working through, an RBS plan, you are, out there with customers every day. They understand that this business is built on a foundation of great execution and performance. And what they see then is that translating into financial performance. So that could be cash flows, it could be profitability improvements, et cetera. So they see the great foundation of our company and what our team and our employees bring every day that's built on this great culture that we just talked about. So that is, I think they see that shine through. Now, I think as we start to look forward, what do they think about our company? And the question I think now is, how do we unleash potential in the company?
Yeah.
Tami, you talked to me when we were interviewing, and I talked to Jim, and I've talked to others, is how do we unleash growth potential in the company going forward? I think that's a really important element in terms of, we've got this great team, we've got incredible end markets, we've got great technology. How do we then take that and then translate that into growth over time? And I think that'll create incredible value for what we're doing here. Yeah,
they definitely see the value of our connection around precision technologies, the quality of the leadership team, and our proven track record. That came out to me really strong. And then it's, can we grow these businesses? How do we grow these businesses? I said, winning is growing is winning. And I just repeated that over and over to keep our sights on the future. So what's next? What's next for you?
I'm really excited and energized about getting out there to see the teams.
Yeah.
I want to see the facilities and the factories, meet with all of you. I've been so impressed so far with how the team operates, that kind of day in, day out execution, the process focus that the team has. I'm going to get out there and see it for real and get to know everyone and really start to engage and reach across boundaries and start to get to know everyone.
It's been great. Thanks, Neill.